Hi traders, today I will explain how to trade using the Keltner channels and RSI indicators. Keltner Channel. The Keltner Channel Indicator is a channel envelope that helps traders identify trend, momentum, volatility, and price extremes. While the Relative Strength Index is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed of changes in price movements, the RSI is derived from the average of upward price changes over the average of downward price changes. It is then computed to normalize within a range of 0 to 100. Since 50 is the midpoint of the range, some traders interpret an RSI line above 50 as an uptrend, and an RSI line below 50 is a downtrend.
Other traders observe that the RSI line would stay within 40 to 90 during an uptrend, with the 40 to 50 zone acting as a support. On the other hand, it is also observed that the RSI line would stay between 10 to 60 during the downtrend, with the 50 to 60 zone acting as resistance. Mean reversal traders on the other hand consider an RSI line above 70 as an overbought market condition, and an RSI line below 30 as an oversold market condition. There are many ways to compute for the midline of the Keltner channel. The most common method is to compute for the average of the typical price, which is comprised of the high, low and close. It is often computed based on a 20-period moving average. The outer bands are based on the average true range, ATR, computed over a period. The ATR is then multiplied by a preset multiple. The result is then plotted, shifted above and below the moving average line. The midline of the Keltner channel could be used just as a regular moving average line is used. Trends could be based on the location of price in relation to the midline as well as the slope of the line. The outer bands could indicate momentum price breakouts and overbought or oversold market conditions. Price breaking beyond the outer lines could indicate a strong momentum. However, a prolonged stay beyond the outer lines also indicate an overbought or oversold condition, which is susceptible to a mean reversal.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.